Here I got the vinyl record player from Udreamer, and in this video I'm going to show you how this works. But it's super, super easy to set up. So you just plug these two speakers into the back, and now you can have them sit beside it. Otherwise, you can put them directly under it. Personally, I don't have a whole lot of space, so under it was what worked best for me. But now I'm going to open this up. I'll bring the camera a little bit closer for you if you've never used a record player before, but this is super, super easy to work. Hopefully you can see it now. This is going to be how you turn it on. This will be your volume. Once you click it on, you just hear a click. It is good to go. You also see a blue light here. And now on the inside, and I'll move the camera down so you can see it. You have some buttons here. You can have different speeds. Most records are just going to be played on 30, so just put that to 30, and it's going to be how you lift up and down your needle. So what you want to do now is grab your Christmas album, or I'm going to use a Christmas album, but grab whatever album you want to put on there. And we'll just set it down on there. And now I will say I'm not allowed to play music, so I'm going to have to mute it so you won't hear it. But now at this point, all you're going to do is lift this up, and we'll bring it over, and this will start spinning for us. And now we just set it down at the outside, and it'll work its way in when each song is played. So slowly set it down, and this will begin to play. And when you're done, just lift that up and move this out and set it back down. So this is awesome. I love kind of the old school sound of a vinyl record. It's fun to buy a couple of them, for Christmas time, put one on there, but I buy other albums as well. But super easy to use. If you just kind of want to get one for fun, or you like them, this is an awesome option. So I give it 2 thumbs up.